Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this new video. Today, our topic is on Bra 30 reviews of the United States. In this video, you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. So, stay tuned with me. By the end of the video, you will definitely get your answer. This is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer to this question: should I buy from it or not? If you have ever experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end and I will show you the way to get your money back. Now let's check what this website is offering to the customers. This website is known as PJ Harlow. PJ Harlow deals with clothing and face masks. They offers tops, bottoms, jackets and robes, nightgowns, pillowcases and some other products. And they also offer face masks which includes women face masks, men's face masks, kids, unisex face masks and some others. And there is also bra collection. So we are checking it. Here they have offered different sporty bras and tank tops. So you can check it by visiting to their official website. Next we'll talk about the other details of this website. If you want to know the mode of payment, they have given it here. You can pay through Amex, Apple Pay, Google Pay, MasterCard, Visa and others. Next we'll check their shipping policy. Here they haven't mentioned the exact timing of the shipping. They have only said that they will notify the shipping time within 48 hours of order submission. And also, this website offers free shipping if your orders are above $75. Next, we'll talk about the legitimacy checkpoints on the basis of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share the video and hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel, as it will boost our spirit to bring more informative videos in the future. PJ Harlow is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. And we have also checked the domain information. The domain has been registered on 26 July 2004 and will expire on 26 July 2021, which makes this a old website. Now let's check the About Us page section. So here they have given few details. So we'll check the contact us page section. Here they have provided their physical address. Now, if you want to know if this website has any social media presence or not, we have checked and we have found that this website has social media presence over Facebook, Twitter, and on Pinterest. Now let's check their return and refund policy. So you have to return the item within 30 days of purchase. And about the refund, your refund will be processed to your original form of payment and it will take up to 5 business days. Now if we want to know about the reviews, so we have found few rating about the bra collection in Amazon with a 4.2 rating, and about PJ Harlow we have found few reviews and rating on Amazon with a 4.6 rating. One customer has mentioned that she is disappointed. Another one has said that it was absolutely worth it. Another customer has mentioned that they are the best PJ ever, and the last customer has said that her PJs were way too long. And if you want to know about the content quality, the content is totally plagiarized. So, after going through the above discussion and the points, it can be said that this website is a legit website. It is quite old, also, it has social media presence, and there are reviews about it. Still, we ask you to do your own research before buying from it. You can get your money back by checking our link in the description area. Do comment your thought on this video. We read all your comments over every video, so please keep commenting. Like this video, share the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe.